In Southern California, wildfires are not just a possibility, they're an increasing reality. With dry conditions, high winds, and rising temperatures, protecting your home from wildfire damage is more critical than ever. The good news? You can dramatically reduce wildfire risks by choosing the right fire-resistant building materials. At Oceanfront Builders, we've helped countless homeowners create fire-resistant homes that combine safety, durability, and style. In this video, we'll walk you through the best fire-resistant materials for every part of your home, from roofing and siding to windows, doors, and landscaping. Along the way, we'll share practical tips, tricks, and expert insights to help you build or upgrade your Southern California home to withstand the next wildfire season. Not all materials are created equal when it comes to fire protection. Fire-resistant materials are designed to slow the spread of flames, withstand extreme heat, and prevent embers from igniting your home. Here's what makes these materials essential for Southern California homes. Key features of fire-resistant materials. 1. Non-combustibility materials like concrete, steel, and fiber cement don't ignite or fuel a fire. 2. Heat resistance. These materials can withstand high temperatures, reducing the risk of structural failure. 3. Durability. Fire-resistant materials are often more weather-resistant and require less maintenance. 4. Insurance benefits. Many insurers offer discounts for homes built with fire-resistant features, rating systems to no class. A fire rating, the highest level of fire resistance, often required for roofing and siding in wildfire-prone areas. UL ratings, certification by Underwriters Laboratories, ensures materials meet stringent fire safety standards. The roof is one of the most vulnerable parts of your home during a wildfire. Embers carried by wind can ignite traditional roofing materials, making fire-resistant roofing essential. Top fire-resistant roofing materials. 1. Metal roofing. Pros include a Class A fire rating, durability, and resistance to embers. Cons: higher upfront cost but offers long-term savings through durability. 2. Clay or concrete tiles. Pros include being non-combustible and visually appealing. Cons: heavy, requiring reinforced structural support. 3. Fire-resistant asphalt shingles. Pros include affordability and wide availability in Class A options. Cons: may not be as durable as metal or tile roofing. 4. Slate roofing. Pros include natural stone being inherently fireproof and highly durable. Cons: high cost and weight may limit its use. Pro tips for fire-resistant roofing. Use fire-resistant underlayment beneath your roofing materials for added protection. Install metal drip edges to block embers from entering gaps between the roof and walls. Ensure proper sealing around chimneys and vents to prevent ember intrusion. The siding on your home acts as a barrier against flames, heat, and embers. Fire-resistant siding materials can significantly reduce the risk of fire spreading to your home's interior. Best fire-resistant siding options. 1. Fiber cement. Siding. Features a mix of cement, sand, and cellulose fibers, offering a Class A fire rating. Benefits include being durable, low maintenance, and available in various textures and finishes. 2. Stucco, applied over concrete or masonry walls, creating a seamless, fire-resistant exterior. It's excellent for Southern California's climate and aesthetic. 3. Metal siding, such as steel or aluminum, non-combustible and weather-resistant, provides a sleek, modern look while offering maximum fire protection. 4. Brick and stone veneer, naturally fireproof and highly durable, adds thermal mass and an elegant appearance. Cost and installation tips. Fiber cement is a cost-effective choice for homeowners balancing budget and fire safety. Ensure all seams and gaps are properly sealed to prevent ember intrusion. Pair fire-resistant siding with a defensible space around your home for maximum protection. Windows and doors are among the weakest points during a wildfire. Upgrading to fire-resistant options can protect your home from intense heat and embers. Best choices for windows. 1. Tempered glass. Withstands higher temperatures than standard glass, often used in double-pane windows for added insulation and protection. 2. Fire-resistant frames. Aluminum, steel, or fiberglass frames are less likely to warp or ignite during a fire. Best choices for doors. 1. Fire-rated steel doors. Provide maximum protection against flames and heat, durable and low maintenance. 2. Solid wood core doors. Fire-resistant options are treated to withstand high temperatures, often paired with metal hardware for added protection. Pro tips for openings. Use non-combustible weather stripping around doors and windows. Install ember-resistant vents to block embers from entering through attic or crawl space openings. Beyond roofs, siding, and windows, other materials can further protect your home from wildfire threats. Non-combustible decking and fencing. For decking, replace wood decks with composite materials, concrete, or steel. For fencing, use metal or non-combustible materials within 5 feet of your home. Fire-resistant landscaping. Create fire breaks with gravel, stone pathways, or concrete patios. Use native, drought-tolerant plants that are less likely to ignite. Other features. Consider fire-resistant paints and coatings for added protection. Use heat-resistant insulation in attics and walls. Choosing fire-resistant materials is one of the smartest investments you can make for your Southern California home. By prioritizing safety, durability, and design, you're not just protecting your property, you're creating a space that will stand strong for generations to come. At Oceanfront Builders, we specialize in fire-resistant construction that combines innovation and elegance. Ready to upgrade your home for wildfire resilience? Call 888-336-8586 or visit oceanfront.builders to schedule your consultation today.